Hello and welcome to a new episode of our Innovation Q&A series. In a previous video, we talked about how to build an innovation program and how that often can be quite challenging. Well, if you want to get that right, you need to be aware of the challenges ahead. So this time, we'll dive into some of the reasons that lead to innovation programs failing. And we'll tell you how you can try to prevent that from happening to yours. Let's get started. But first, a quick recap. When we think of innovation programs, we often just think of the different initiatives that aim to either build your innovation capabilities or to actually create innovations, like the four that you see on the right here. However, in reality, it's the combination of all of these activities put together to form a concrete plan for realizing your strategic goals. Now, to get to the meat of today's session. We did a pretty thorough meta-analysis of a dozen different studies on the topic and put together the results in this chart here. There are a few really common causes of failure here, but the most interesting takeaway is that actually there's a wide range of factors spread over each of the four major aspects of innovation management, which you'll see color-coded here. Once we aggregate these findings to the four aspects, you can see that it's really difficult to point to just one or two factors always leading to innovation programs failing. Most that do fail suffer from at least a few different challenges across maybe two or three different aspects. If you'd like to dive deeper into the findings, we'll add a link for you in the description below. So, what's the key takeaway? Well, for an innovation program to succeed, you need to align all four of the aspects we just covered with one another. For example, if your strategy is to focus on incremental innovation in your current industry, your innovation strategy, structures, processes, capabilities, and even organizational culture should look very different from another organization that is looking to break into and disrupt an entirely different industry. So, to conclude, it's not so much about avoiding individual mistakes, but more about making sure that you have a cohesive, well-organized approach that's grounded in reality. Focus on getting the big picture right first, and then just keep removing whatever barriers and challenges you'll come across on your journey. But that's been it for today. Leave your questions for us in the comments below, and if you want to learn more about innovation and leadership, we've got plenty of material for you here on YouTube as well as on our blog. See you again on the next one.